Here is the Bitcoin prediction for the 5th of February 2022. It's gonna be an interesting video. Hopefully you get it as fast as possible because this is time sensitive information. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'm here to slap you if you don't slap the like button right now. Also, I'm sponsored by ANY Exchange. It's the best exchange if you want to buy new altcoins first. I have my crypto signals group, meaning I'm sponsored by myself. Let's talk about crypto. No financial advisor, just a random dude on the internet. Do your own research. We are heading for a very strong resistance right here. In general, buying at 82 RSI on the 4-hour time frame, 78 RSI on the 30-minute time frame, 5-minute RSI. We are seeing rejections on each of these time frames. You can see that shorts are piling in here, and they're piling in here, not here. There wasn't a lot of volume here. These were stop losses. A lot of volume here, a lot of volume here. People are loading up shorts to get Bitcoin down. And I'll tell you why. This is just my opinion. I can be completely wrong, because Bitcoin did, this is manipulation. Look, we were heading down. The chart pattern was heading down. These were all stop losses, blew up very, very hard. But something weird is that the whole crypto index right now is up. Bitcoin is down for the day. So here are the likely scenarios. We have very high resistance here. We have the resistance here. There's nothing we can, it's obvious. We have the resistance here. And we also have the support here. So here is what I believe the likely scenario to be. Regardless what will happen, even if this is an abomination of a pattern, to the upside, even if Bitcoin is to go to 60K again, test the all-time highs, what it is more likely to do here is retrace a few times before that. And whales normally buy on dumps. Like they bought here. Whales buy here, buy here. That's what they do. This breakout was just insane. There was stop loss. That was insane. I lost it live, and I was short, so I was crying inside when I was seeing it. But I'm trying to just play the odds. I'm trying to see what's more probable, and I'm trying to play it the way it should be played, in a more probable way. So what I do believe will happen is we have time until the 10th of February, so 5-ish days. We're more likely to trade in a range than break out because of the resistance here. If we break below here, this is bearish. If we go above here, this is bullish instantly. A lot of people will load up on longs above 44K, because if it goes above 44K, it's gonna go here. It's gonna go to 57K. There's not that much volume stopping it. If it breaks here, it's gonna go to 30K. So the question is, what happens here? I think the next few days will show us. We're waiting for it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you want me to analyze specific token, let me know there. See you next video. Bye.